Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. In this video, we will discuss some other topic. First, we know the definition of symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash equal to A. That is, if any matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix, then the transpose matrix of that original matrix is equal to the original matrix. If A is said to be a symmetric matrix, then transpose of A is equal to A. Then A is called symmetric matrix. A is called symmetric matrix. By symmetric matrix, we have some properties or some points about symmetric matrix. The zero matrix and the some of the important points are the zero matrix z or o, any diagonal matrix. Any diagonal matrix, we know diagonal matrix meaning any diagonal matrix, and identity matrix or symmetric to each other. That means first point is zero matrix of order n by n, of order n by n, the same ordered square matrix. The square matrix of zero matrix is symmetric matrix, and unit matrix I n by n is also symmetric matrix, and diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix meaning is the diagonal elements are other than 0, other diagonal elements are equal to 0, then that matrix is called diagonal elements. The diagonal elements are also a symmetric matrices. This is one of the point about symmetric matrix. And the second point is, if A is a symmetric matrix, if capital A is a symmetric matrix, then the I comma jth element of A is the same as the j comma ith element of A and element of A. That means if A is a symmetric matrix, if a matrix capital A is a symmetric matrix, then I comma jth element of A is equal to the j comma ith element of A, or both are equal. For that, we have take one example. Let A equal to, first we A11, A12, A21, A22. If A is a symmetric matrix, I comma jth element means if I equal to 1, 2, j equal to 1 comma 2 by using this matrix. If 1 comma 2 ante A of 1 2, means this is equal to A of A21 element. Then if A is a symmetric matrix, then I comma jth element of A is the same as j comma ith element of A. A అనేది సిమెట్రిక్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే వీటిలో ఐజే ఎలిమెంట్ జేఐ ఎలిమెంట్కు ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది అని అర్థం అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ద ఫైనల్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ third point, the final point, if A is a square matrix, if capital A is a square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then we blindly say that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. These are the some of the points of about symmetric matrix. Next we will discuss other method or other topic, skew symmetric. Next topic is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric means a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A dash equal to minus A. If any matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric, then that matrix transpose is equal to the additive, the negative terms of the matrix. That means if A is a square matrix and A dash equal to minus A, then A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Here also we have some more points about skew symmetric. Then some of the points. First point is the zero matrix. The zero matrix. In this we have only square matrices. That means of n by n is a skew symmetric matrix. This is a skew symmetric matrix. The zero matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. And second point is if A is a skew symmetric matrix, if A is a skew symmetric matrix, then the I, zth element of A is the same as the negative of the j, ith element of A. Ith element of A. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, then ith element of A is equal to the negative of jith element. In symmetric matrix, ith element of A and jith element are equal in symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, ith element of A is equal to negative of jth element because A dash equal to minus A. This is third point is if A is a square matrix, then A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. If A is a square matrix, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Here A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. And the final point is if A is a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix, if A is a symmetric or skew symmetric matrix, then Ka, then Ka is also symmetric, or skew symmetric, or skew symmetric for any scalar k, for any scalar k, for any scalar k. If A is a symmetric matrix, then K is symmetric matrix. If A is a skew symmetric matrix, K is skew symmetric matrix for any scalar k. A అనేది సిమెట్రిక్ ఆర్ స్క్యూ సిమెట్రిక్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే దాని యొక్క స్కేలార్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కూడా సిమెట్రిక్ ఆర్ స్క్యూ సిమెట్రిక్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అవుతుందన్నమాట. దీస్ ఆర్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్. Next, we will discuss some of the examples in next video. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.